Hello guys, and welcome back to our next lesson. During our previous lesson, we saw how to create a call to action section for our website. And in this lesson, we are going to look at how to create a frequently asked questions section for our website. Without wasting further time, let's jump right in. The final section I'm going to add is a frequently asked questions section. So I click on add new container, I choose Flexbox, then I choose the first one. From here, I add in a heading element like this, and this way I enter my text, frequently asked questions. Next, I go over to style. Okay, I can easily go on top here and copy the style. I copy, going down, right click, click on paste style. Alright, next I go over to add elements, then I search for accordion. I have accordion right here. I'll just drag it and drop it under the title. At the moment, I'm giving 2 accordion items and I want to have up to 5. So I add another one, and finally the last one, so that I will be able to have 5 questions. So to enter my first question, I click on the first accordion tab, and this is where I enter my question, and right here is where I enter my answer. I can collapse this, and the next question I enter it right here. So similarly, for the first one, I'll enter the rest of the questions and get back to you. Alright, I've entered all my questions, as you can see right here. Now let's go ahead and format our accordion. So I go over to style. I don't need the border lines, so what I do is just go here and enter 0. You see that the border is gone. Next, I go over to title. The background color for title, I'm going to go ahead and use my transparent background color. Next, I go over to padding and I'll enter 20 pixels across. The next thing I do is go over to advanced. Then under margin, I unlink the values. Right, I'll enter 200 pixels, and then left 200 pixels. And this is how it will look like, which is kind of cool. And then the icon, I want to change the position, so I click on icon. I will set it to end like this. Perfect. Now let's create space at top and at bottom for the entire container or the entire section. So I click on edit section right here. Then I go over to advanced. I unlink the values under margin. Top is going to be 100 pixels and then bottom will be 50 pixels. I click on publish to save my work. And now we are done with our frequently asked questions section. And that's it on how we create a frequently asked questions section for our website. In the meantime, you can stick around to watch the next lesson on your screen right now. Keep watching and I will see you in the next lesson.